Hey, it's Andrew from Delivery Slip. Today we're going to talk about how to invite new members to your portal using Delivery Slip. So we've really made this as simple as it possibly could be. All you have to do really is just send them a message. So let's check it out. Okay, so I'm here in my inbox. I'll start by hitting New. Now you'll notice right off the bat I've got Secure Message here, but I also have this Invite Reinvite User. I'll tell you a secret, these actually do the same thing, these top two buttons. We added this invite button because people really wouldn't believe us that all you have to do was send them a secure message, and we kept on getting asked, how do I invite users? So we added it in for clarity, but they do the same thing. So we'll hit secure message. Okay, now we'll pick who I want to invite. I'll invite my friend Bob Gordon. And fill out a subject and a body. And I'll hit send. Now this pop-up here confirms that the user that I'm sending to is not currently a portal member. So as you can see, new users, the user's email address, and then some information about that this person will be invited. So yes, I'll invite. Great, now that's it. Bob has been invited. Let's head over to his inbox and see what he sees. Okay, so you see I have this new invite from Andrew Patterson here. I'll click it and click this green button to register my account. Okay, now from here I can decide if I want to use an SSO provider to finish my registration or if I want to set a password for myself. So I'll set a password. Alright, Bob Gordon, password, and confirm. Perfect. Okay, that's it. You can see that I'm in, and here's my message from Andrew. Wonderful. So something that we sometimes get asked about is if it's as easy as just sending a message, then what happens when the person that I sends to the next person? Is it going to be this kind of viral effect where my portal starts to grow? Well, no, because people that you invite by sending a message, they become guest users. They can only reply and respond to the person that communicated with them. They're not allowed to invite new people. So you can see that as Bob here, I'm a guest. And if I try to compose, my only option, well, first of all, that invite button from earlier is grayed out. And my only option for who to communicate with is either support or Andrew, the person who invited me. So as a guest user, I can no longer invite new people. That's a pro-only ability. So let's respond to Andrew. Beautiful. And that's really all you need to know about inviting users to Delivery Slip. As always, if you have any questions, you can contact us at deliveryslip.com/contact-us. See you next time.